You don't know what I did? I caused gang violence because when I had this pot, I intended on just growing my blue pea flowers. These right here. You see those? So pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Move this. How do I move this? Okay, let me see. It's so pretty. I really planned on just growing that, right? And then I discovered that there was a hyacinth bean in there. So I'm like, well, you know what? Y'all both can grow. Just vine up. You know, it's cool. But you know what my hyacinth bean did? It choked it. It choked it. It wrapped around it and choked and killed the plant. This one over here is surviving, so I still got one of my blue pea flowers left. But dang, you know, it's like survival of the fit. They're like, one of us is going to get the pot and the other one is going to die. But they're so pretty. I'm very pleased with them. Not saying I have a preference of one over the other, because if my hyacinth bee heard me say that, he might turn around and whip ass a little bit more. Hey, lizard. Hey, baby. You look at the flower too? Okay. Yeah, I like that though. It's kind of cute together. I want my blue pea flowers to show off a little bit more, but you know, you see who's the dominant one.